Hello guys, in this video we will teach you how to use the remote controller. So our remote controller is being configured to the JPM mode, which is the Japanese hand mode. It's slightly different from American hand, but we think about it's more suitable for agriculture industry. So initially, this is a remote controller. We want to power it on. The button, short press and long press, and you will receive a voice notification, and you turn on the power of the remote control, and you open enter, and on this frame you can put in your mobile phone and open the app. You can either connect the app with the remote control through Bluetooth or a USB cable, and you can use the phone vertically or horizontally as you like. And now introducing you the different hardware buttons, the channels. Initially, the switch G. The switch G is in the left side of the remote controller, and it's controlling this flight mode. If we put into the middle position, it's GPS mode. The left position is the attitude mode. If we put into the right position, it will be the AB point half automatic mode. And the next one is the channel E. Channel E is used to record the A and the B point for half automatic work. Initially in the neutral position, the top position is clear the AB point. If we put into the middle, that will record the A point, which is the starting point of the track. If we put into the back, that will be the B point, which is another side of the track. And we put it back. If we want to clear the AB point, we want to put a switch E to the top and back for more than 3 times to clear the AB point. And the channel F is for one key return. You put in the top and the middle, that will be off. You put into the back, that will be activate the automatic return. The drone will stop working and return to the starting point. The last switch H is control the pump. If we put into the right position, that will be turn off the pump. If we put into the middle, that will be the default mode. The drone on M16, they will spray with the rate of 2 liters per minute. And if you already adjusting some other setting on the app, this will override the channel switch. But if you, after you configure the app and you use the switch again, and this will override the app setting. So we pretend you're already sitting on the app that you are spray in a 3 liters per minute, but you use the switch H to choose the spray mode, and this will override the app. That's the idea. And if you put to the left position, that will activate the strong spray mode, which is on M16 is 4 liters per minute. On M12 spray drum is 3.2 per minute. Just remember the switch. If you're using the switch to control the pump, will override the setting you're setting the app. And the same, if you're doing some setting on the app, will override the setting from the switch. That's it. Thank you.